Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, encompassing all living organisms, from microscopic bacteria to large mammals. It includes variety within species, between species, and ecosystem. Biodiversity on Earth is often categorized into two main types. First, terrestrial biodiversity. This includes all life forms found on land, such as plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as their ecosystem like forests, grasslands, and deserts. Those include tundra, rainforest, savanna, taiga, temperate deciduous forest, temperate grassland, upland, chaparral, and desert. Second, aquatic diversity. This encompasses life forests found in freshwaters and marine environment, including various species of fish, marine mammals, invertebrates, algae.
Diversity hotspot is a biographic region characterized by exceptionally high levels of species, richness, and endemism species found nowhere else. These areas are typically under significant threat from human activities, such as habitat destruction, deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Despite covering only a small percentage of the Earth's surface, biodiversity hotspots are home to a disproportionately large number of species, making them critical for global conservation efforts. Conservation and organization often prioritize this area for protection due to their exceptionally biological significance and the urgent need to preserve their unique flora and fauna.
There are many threats to biodiversity today. The biggest one can be remembered by using the acronym HIPPO as habitat loss, invasive species, pollution, human population, and over-harvesting.
Biodiversity significantly impacts human health through its provision of medical resources, essential ecosystem services like clean air and water, diverse nutrition from a variety of food sources, opportunities for recreation and mental well-being in natural environments, and resilience against disease by maintaining balanced ecosystems that regulate infectious agents. Maintaining biodiversity is crucial for sustaining these benefits and ensuring the health and well-being of current and future generations.
Human activities are disturbing both the structure and functions of ecosystems and altering native biodiversity. Such disturbances reduce the abundance of some organisms, cause population growth in others, modify the interactions among organisms, and alter the interactions between organisms and their physical and chemical environments. Patterns of infectious diseases are sensitive to these disturbances. Major processes affecting infectious diseases and transmission include deforestation, land use change, water management through dam construction, irrigation, and controlled urbanization or urban sprawl. Resistance to pesticide chemicals used to control certain disease vectors. Climate variability and change, migration and international travel and trade, and the accidental or international human introduction of pathogens.
Provides numerous ecosystem services that are crucial to human well-being at present and in the future. Climate is an integral part of ecosystem functioning, and human health is impacted directly and indirectly by results of climatic conditions upon terrestrial and marine ecosystems. Marine biodiversity is affected by ocean acidification related to levels of carbon in the atmosphere. Terrestrial biodiversity is influenced by climate variability, such as extreme weather events, drought, fooding that indirectly influence ecosystems. Health and the productivity is availability of ecosystem, goods and services for human use. Longer-term changes in climate affect the viability and health of ecosystems, influencing shifts in the distribution of plants, pathogens, animals, and even human settlements.
Change profoundly affects biodiversity by altering habitat, shifting species distribution, disrupting ecological interaction, increasing the frequency of extreme weather events, and exacerbating existing threats such as habitat loss and pollution. Rising temperature can force species to migrate to cooler areas or adapt to changing conditions, leading to changes in community composition and species interaction. Additionally, changes in precipitation patterns can affect water availability, vegetation growth, and food availability for both plant and animal species. This disruption can result in population declines, loss of genetic diversity, and even extinction, ultimately threatening the stability and resilience of ecosystem worldwide. Addressing climate change is essential for protecting biodiversity and ensuring the survival of countless species and ecosystems.